exciting new backyardigans. Push, Rosa, messy premiere of Olivia. It's going to be huge. And a much new Get Rummy online with the brand new backyardigans game. It's a Friday play date. Starting February 27th at 9 on Nick. It's puzzle time. Two of these merry mice are exactly the same. But one is
She's not tired. She doesn't nap at all.
It's different. Look at each mouse. Which one's different? Tell me what you think when we come back. Look at all the baby horses. Baby horses are called foals and stand up and walk around when it's only 1 day old. When foals are young, their legs are so long, it's hard to reach down and eat the grass. But it's those same long legs that make horses such fast runners. Hey, wait for me.
Everything on Noggin is inspired by preschool. Wouldn't it be great if life were more like preschool?
Those are some great questions, everybody. And next up is Mr. Fredericks.
Thank you.
There'd be show and tell.
I bought my cherry red Hot Lips telephone. Yes.
Exactly where did you get that Hot Lips phone?
Off the record, it's from my mom.
Preschool is a supportive place where you build self-confidence and learn to understand and appreciate those around you. For 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Noggin is like preschool on TV.
I can't wait to play with my new baby sister. I'll pour the tea, you add the cream and the sugar. Yes, more, please. Hey, ooh, I would love some. Did you bake it yourself?
My new best
My
friend
goodness,
on
put it in a
Noggin is
onesie.
brought to you by Pampers Easy Ups Trainers.
It's puzzle time. Two of these marvelous mice look exactly the same, but one is different. Which one is it? Is it this one, or this one?
Mommy,
Are they?
I was just getting there.
The mouse with the
I was just getting there.
different. And these two mice
Here comes
are
Max.
exactly the same.
Max.
Way to play. Now it's time for the Wonder Pets.
The Wonder Pets exposes preschoolers to a wide range of musical styles, new vocabulary, and supports phonological awareness and the importance of teamwork.
The Wonder Pets.